Hey there friends, Metalman here for the Dragon Blogger team, bringing you an unboxing video of the Dragon Touch A1 dual core tablet from Tablet Express. The guys over at Tablet Express provided us with the A1 dual core 10.1 inch tablet, Dragon Touch tablet, to go ahead and try out and review. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you an unboxing video of that tablet today. But before we go ahead and open this, I do want to bring the attention to the back of the box. I really like that the specs of the tablet are right there in the back in English, Spanish, and in German. So just to give you guys a quick rundown of the specs, let me read those off to you. It has a CPU All-Winner A23 Cortex A7 dual-core 1.2 gigahertz. It does run on the Google Android Jelly Bean operating system. The screen type is a 10.1 inch 1024 by 600 pixels resolution. That worries me a little bit. For a tablet that's a 10-inch tablet, I figured it would have a little bit more resolution than what it shows. I really hope that it performs very well. I haven't tested it out yet, haven't turned it on. I do want to give that video and screen resolution a test through Skype or through other mediums. So you please stay tuned and check that out, because I'm very curious to see how well that resolution holds up with some of the more recent applications out there. It also has a 5-finger multi-touch display, so you can go ahead and control your actions using up to 5 touch points on the screen. Pretty neat. Like to see how that works. RAM 512 gigabytes to 1 gigabyte depending on the model that you have, and the storage is 8 gigs to 16 gigs depending on the model that you have. The camera, it has 2 cameras, a front camera and a rear-facing camera. Little curious as to why they don't show the megapixels for each of those cameras. I'm very curious to see how well those cameras will work, both the front and the back. Again, I do plan on testing it with using it as a Skype, using the Skype app on it to see exactly how the video and audio works. I do plan on taking some pictures as well, just to see how well those pictures come out and that resolution comes out fairly well, we hope. And as for wireless connectivity, it does have the Wi-Fi 802.11 B, G, and N network, so you can go ahead and pretty much connect it through Wi-Fi, through any Wi-Fi that's out there right now. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so let's see. Let's get this box open here. Okay, so the first thing we see is the tablet. It has this nice protection sleeve around it. Now this Dragon Touch logo, really nice touch. I know that this is just a little plastic sleeve that they're putting the tablet in, but when a company goes ahead and puts in that detail into that plastic sleeve, it's a company you want to watch out for. It puts those they pay attention to those small details. Little things like this make me smile. I really like that. Let's go ahead and let's pull it out here. Okay, so here's the tablet itself. You got the black screen. It's got instructions in the front, which we'll go over in just a second. And the back, it's got a nice white backing with another sleeve, protective film on here. It looks like the bottom will go ahead and tell you what kind of memory capacity it has. It looks like I have a 8 gigabyte tablet. So let's take a look at the front here. So it looks like we have a set of instructions right on the tablet. It says, attention, please read this before using. Remove the thin film. Number 2, charge the tablet for about 10 hours before the first time use. Okay, now I really like that they pointed that out. A lot of people do not know that a lot of these devices that have these rechargeable batteries, they must be charged to their full capacity before first time use. The reason for that is a lot of these batteries kind of go by this memory type system where if you fill it up all the way, then the battery knows that that is its max capacity and will try to keep the charge, that much of a charge, for as long as possible. For example, if you have a battery that's supposed to last you 10 hours, but you only charge it, let's say 4 hours before you start using it, then the battery will keep that, would you say, it will keep that level, that 4-hour maximum. It'll keep that 4-hour charge as a maximum, and you'll never get that full potential out of your battery. So I really like that they give you that warning, and they make sure you understand that before you even use a tablet, they have the film right over there with the instructions. Make sure you charge your tablet for 10 hours. So it looks like I won't be using this tonight. I'll go ahead and plug it in to make sure it charges fully, and we'll get to it tomorrow. I will have a video review of this as well as a written review, so make sure you guys stick around for that once I get this bad boy fully charged and started using. The other instructions on here are some pretty typical instructions showing you how to turn it on, how to lock your screen, and how to tap apps and drag and pinch and spread. And if you need any help, please contact the Tablet Express. Phone number is right on there. As for the tablet itself, we have the rear facing camera right here and the front one right on the other side. Again, I'm curious as to what the resolution of these cameras are, how many megapixels they can go ahead and take or have. Doesn't say on here. Maybe the instructions will have that. I'm not sure. We'll take a look at those in just a second. I do have the switch button right up here, so you can go ahead and toggle between the front facing camera and the rear facing camera. We have our volume up, volume down buttons right up here. Power buttons right to the side of the tablet. Looks like we have a 3.5mm jack for headphones. We have a USB port here. Looks like a micro USB. I'm curious to know whether or not we can transfer files between a computer, another tablet, or a phone into this Tablet Express tablet. I know at the Kindle Fire you were not able to transfer files using a USB port. So I'm really curious to see if this one will allow you to do that. That would be a big plus. That means it's a good tool to go ahead and take this tablet wherever you need to be able to transfer files as well. So big plus for Tablet Express, that's what you can do with this. It looks like you have your AC adapter connection right here. That's the charging port. And it looks like I have a micro USB memory slot right in the bottom here. Again, maybe that's to expand the memory. Maybe so you can go ahead and transfer files back and forth between memory cards and the tablet. I don't know just yet. Again, stick around for that review. I will get to that, and we'll go ahead and test out that memory capacity and see what this tablet can do. And it looks like the volume will come out through the back. I see two little slots right up here. That looks like that's where the volume or the sound would be coming out of. And again, the Dragon Touch logo right in the middle. Awesome touch. Love that logo, by the way. Really cool. And that's a tablet. So again, stay tuned for that review. Let's see what else we have here. So it looks like the box just comes with a couple inserts and the AC adapter, so you can go ahead and charge your tablet. It looks like the connection there is a pretty small one. What does it say on here? It's a DC 5 volt, 2000 mA, so pretty small connection there. I don't think you want to lose this. And we have a micro USB charging cable. Again, I don't think you can charge it with the cable with the USB connection, but I'll give that a go and see if that's even possible. I think it's more for data transfers though. So again, stick around for that review and I'll let you know. And it looks like it comes with 3 inserts. The inserts being the instruction manual. Every device needs an instruction manual. Pretty sure this one's just giving you the quick rundown of how to use it. It looks fairly long. A couple little tabs here, I guess you can say: product overview, charging the battery, exploring the main screen, etc., etc., connections, charging, basic operations. You might want to go ahead and run through that. I'm pretty sure in here somewhere I'll have some troubleshooting tips. Maybe even have that resolution on that camera I'm so curious about. But again, user's manual, always check that out. And this is a little piece of paper here with a big stop sign on it. Okay, read this first. It says, it looks like if you have any problems with your tablet, Tablet Express does want you to reach out to them first. It looks like their tech team is more than willing to work with you to make sure your tablet is running up to par. If you're having any issues with your tablet whatsoever, they strongly urge you to contact them first via email or phone call. You can also reach them through the website. So again, if you have a problem with your tablet, reach out to Tablet Express before you decide to return it to wherever you purchased it from, okay? That's what that's for. And the last insert in here is how to make your tablet run faster and last longer. Okay, now this is interesting. Usually when you buy a tablet or any kind of device, it'll already have some pre-installed programs and a software in there to go ahead and make sure that you have a pretty smooth working machine. It looks like Tablet Express is giving you one extra tip to go ahead and make that Dragon Touch tablet run a little faster, a little more efficient. They suggest, and I'm reading this to you right now, go to the Play Store, search for App Killer, install it. This app helps you organize background running applications and terminates background applications when necessary to save CPU and battery usage. Big props to Tablet Express. If you know there's something out there that's going to help your device run smoother, more efficiently, and better for the consumer, you're sharing that information with them. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of companies don't do that. So big props to you guys to go ahead and say, hey guys, you know what? There's something out there that can make our tablet just that much more better. Check it out. Download it. You'll love it. And it looks like that's it for the contents of the box. And again, that is the Dragon Touch A1 dual core Tablet Express 10.1 inch tablet. Again, I will have that video review up for you guys shortly, and I will have a written review once I've had a couple of days to test out the device. And again, big thanks to Tablet Express for providing the Dragon Blogger team with the tablet. Stay tuned. You guys won't be disappointed. Thanks.